Let's imagine this water heater is malfunction, but when the switch is turned on, the water heater is working without trip, the RCCB or the earth leakage breaker. This is a serious problem. The root cause for this problem is the earth system in the main distribution board, which connected to the earth chamber by electrode, is not responding when current leakage happens. Now I will show you how to check the earthing system in your home in the easiest way. Let's start it. Plug extension wire in the socket and use multimeter with range of voltage AC. Connect the black probe to the earth wire and connect the red probe to the live wire at the extension wire. The voltmeter reading shows the 230 volt above, meaning the earth system in your home is functioning. If the reading shows 230 volt below, meaning the earth system in your home is not functioning and need to do inspection at the earth chamber and the earth wiring in your home before it's too late.